We're here in Katy, Texas at George Bush Park, enjoying a beautiful wetland-loving shrub. Cephalanthus or Buttonbush. The flowers are what really captivates. These persist through the warm season, and these are called nutlets, I believe. These persist into the winter or the cool season, and they're eaten by wildlife. The flowers are popular for their nectar with insects and other species. It's growing in a very wet condition here. You can see, like with a heavy storm, there's standing water. And it's described as 6 to 12 feet, which would be pretty much exactly what it is here. I would say it's about 12, 15 feet tall, multi-stem, somewhat shade tolerant. It's growing on the edge of a woodland here with other native species, ash trees, water oaks. So with quite a heavy storm, there's standing water. You can see on the trees sometimes the water line, certainly 6, 12, 18 inches of water is not uncommon here. Yeah, so a very special species. And it grows roughly in the eastern half of the US, from the Mississippi up to Quebec and down to Florida. A plant that could be naturalized in your landscape, grown along streams, creeks. I believe it's slow-moving water as opposed to rushing water. And it certainly handles standing water. Can grow next to standing water.